the polarity of masculine and feminine energies for healing our core selves. I placed myself in a very triggering situation for a month recently, staying in a location with a soul that mirrored back to me aspects of my divine masculine and divine feminine that needed healing. They unfortunately are very stuck and don't want to work on their healing, so constantly responded with anger, aggression. There was no compassion, no love, just a real discombobulation. But it was a beautiful shining light to show us that we need to work on our divine masculine and feminine energies. We all have them within us, regardless of gender, and it's all affected by our childhood, adulthood, the beliefs and behaviours that we've grown up with. And it shows, like, it shines such a beautiful light on the pain and the trauma that we need to work through. Please don't ever look at it as a judgment or a problem. I mean, we put ourselves in these triggering situations in order to do the healing. I'm constantly being put in situations so that I can do the healing and then go on to teach others. And this is what I've always said to people about a lot of the trauma that we go through. It's so that we can go on to teach others how to cope with it, handle it, release it. Common examples within relationships of the traits required, like that need reviewing. I'm just going to read it from my blog. A mature feminine can raise the immature masculine traits in someone, causing them to try and bring her down through suppression, control and domination. And then a mature masculine trait can cause the immature feminine traits to rise, attempting to bring them down by playing the victim, wanting to be the centre of attention, manipulating, gossiping and blaming. I will add a big chart below that is so helpful. So things like the traits of the mature masculine is humble, independence, honouring, selflessness, accepting. And then when there's a lot of the immature masculine that is destructive, it's anger, aggression, judgmental, avoidance. And then with the immature feminine, it's attention-seeking, blaming others, passive-aggressive, always in victim mode, anxious. And then the mature feminine is self-assured, empathetic, understanding, serene, healing. Please look at the chart. I'll see if I can attach it on the bottom of the video because it really, really helps. We are moving into a world of duality, so learning all we can about working with the polarity of our masculine and feminine will really help you with the relationship with yourself, but also with the relationship with others. Sexually, if you open yourself up to multiple partners that are also having or have had multiple partners, you are taking on their energy. You are taking on the broken masculine and feminine energies. So that can add to your work. Please consider what you're doing before giving up your soul's vessel in that way. So the mature masculine side, wisdom, intellect, knowledge, cooperation, safety, boundaries, discernment and the right application of free will. The feminine side, everything that we enjoy about life, so dancing, music, creating, food, language, taste, touch, feeling, everything in creation, empathy, intuition, good or bad, complete acceptance of life. So that's where we want to be. That's why the divine feminine has always been crushed. Because being in that state, you are in complete alignments with life and that we are all one. No judgment, a complete yes to life. And our immature self creates conflict. But this insights change. Deeper insights into the present here and now. So it's not, none of it is bad. All of it is a lesson. All of it is helping us grow and learn and expand. I do the Kundalini activation with the innerdance playlist. So that is really powerful sound healing from while you're at home, laying on the floor with energy activations to activate that Kundalini fire, that apple of knowledge at the base of your spine, that then the playlists are resetting the neurons in your brain, helping you to deal with all that the energies are throwing at us right now, because it's just becoming more unenduring, confusing, but giving us more strength to cope and jump into the magic that is life, that what we want it to be, where we want to be, what we want to create, by feeling it in our heart. But please look at your masculine and feminine energies. It is a really big part of the puzzle for healing your true self. Ask me any questions. I'll put the link to the blog as well, because there's the whole article there. I love you lots. Have an amazing day. Namaste.